This was sent to us for an honest review.
Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. Today we want to look at this bicycle toolkit. Let's check it out. All right, let's take a look at it here. There we go. All right, yeah. Got a little foam thing here. Let's start from the top over here. Looks like we got some tire levers. So that's neat. 3 of them. Fits there. Got a nice little crescent wrench. So that's nice. It has 2 Phillips screwdrivers, 2 flat screwdrivers, a FREEWHEEL remover. Let's look at the FREEWHEEL remover here. Kind of go down the list here so we know what we're at here. All right, there's the FREEWHEEL removal. So that's nice. Okay. Got a spoke tool. So that's neat. These are all the tools that you need to work on your bike. This would be for the headset. You know those big nuts on the top where you looking around trying to find out what size and you don't have nothing big enough for it? Well, that's what this is for. All right. And you got these 16, 14, 15, and 13. Here's the pedal tool. 17, 15, 16, and 15. So there's your pedal tool. That's nice. 8mm, so it'll fit in. Here's your screwdrivers, 2 Phillips and 2 straight tip. And you can use that with this. If I can get them out of there. There we go. See, they fit right in the end of this. So that's neat. And of course you got your little sockets here. Got an 8mm, 9mm, and a 10. And that can also be used on the end of this. So that's neat. And a crank set removal tool. You screw this in the crank set and then you turn this in until it pushes the crank off. So that's neat. So that's that side. It's got the little things on the ends here. So that's nice. Then you got your spanner, your chain whip over here. That's to take off your FREEWHEEL. So that's always really handy to have around when you need it. And you got your little screwdriver for adjusting your derailleur. This is for adjusting your derailleur. Of course, we talked about the spoke remover and the FREEWHEEL. Have a chain buster here. It has a chain breaker. So that's neat. You got your pressure gauge. Got a patch kit. And that's pretty much it. As if that wasn't enough. So it's a very complete set. You turn it this way so you can see the whole thing in its glory. Got a little open end wrench here. Adjustable bottom bracket tool, 1516 and 1517 pedal wrench. Bottom bracket tool, adjustable forged steel wrench, 8mm hex key, 6, 8, 9, 10mm hexagon wrench. This will be a nice addition to my collection, so I can make sure I have all the tools I need when I'm working on a bike. Alrighty, well, this is Papa Blue Shirt. This is a really nice set, and it's got all those oddball tools that you need when you're working on your bike. So it's be really handy to have around. So if you're gonna do a project on your bike, you might want to pick up one of these just to make sure you have all those tools you need. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. I hope that was helpful.